everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and we have Sharanya here. Today we will make Avial using a microwave. Since the Onam festival is approaching, I thought Avial would be a very nice idea to share it with you, especially if I am making Avial in a microwave. That would be even better since I am doing this microwave series. So here is Avial recipe using a microwave for this Onam festival.
I'm a bunny today.
You're a bunny today, so you're eating carrot. Okay, so all the ingredients that is going to be, we need to cut it this long because it is Avial. So we will be adding half cup of drumstick. I am using one drumstick and I've cut it this long. Need half cup of plantain or raw banana, half cup of carrots, half cup of beans. These are long beans. You can add yam into it. Yam is also one of the vegetables added into it. I am not adding because I didn't find any. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or less than half a teaspoon. Add half a cup of water. Mix them all well. This is a semi-dry dish, so we need not add too much of water in it. We just need to add water so that it can cook. Adding very little more, maybe about another one third cup of water. That should be all.
This is one bowl of water.
That's one bowl of water.
See?
That is a drumstick.
Drumstick.
Okay, after adding all the ingredients in the bowl,
What's that?
that's some sound, construction sound. After adding all the ingredients in the bowl, we mix it well and nice, which Sharanya already has done it. Close it with a lid and microwave it on high power for 4 minutes, all till the plantain cooks well and nice, because plantain and drumstick are the only vegetables that need more time to cook. So we will cook it for 4 minutes on high power, and then we will check if it is cooked and it has become soft and tender. Okay?
I can eat this.
What are you eating?
I'm eating bunny carrot.
You're eating bunny carrot? Yeah, I kept some for you here. Yeah, this is for you.
See, I put on this.
Oh, you put it on? Okay, no problem. Alright, now it was after 4 minutes. I took it out and all the vegetables were cooked, but the drumstick was not cooked. So I kept it for another 4 minutes, and then now let's check if the drumstick is cooked or not. Okay. Now I can see the drumstick has cooked as well, and it has become nice and soft and tender. To check if the vegetable has cooked well and nice.
See, smoke.
Yeah, that is a steam.
Steam.
Yes, so you can just check it by pressing and seeing, and if it is very nice and tender, that means the vegetable
I
has...
want to eat.
Alright, it's very hot, okay? Yeah, give it to you. Do fufu, okay? Let it cool. Okay, here. Here, put it like this. And this is the drumstick. So it has also become very nice and soft and tender. So that means we can go ahead and do the further cooking or do the further procedure. The water here is little, you can see this much water is left as well in this. Now after these vegetables are cooked, we will keep this aside and we will start making the paste for avial. To make the avial paste, we will need some ingredients, out of which Sharanya has already put the cumin seeds into it. So we just have to put rest of the ingredients in that.
I want to also do that.
Okay. Alright, now you can see she has put maybe don't put anything else, okay? Well, thank you. Okay, that was one onion finely chopped. I mean, you do not have to finely chop it, I just chopped it. That was onion chopped, and there, if you can see, there is one teaspoon of cumin seeds and also 1 teaspoon of garlic into it. This is 1 twig of curry leaves. There's still some garlic left, so that's the garlic. So after adding these ingredients, you put 1 cup of grated coconut in it. This is freshly grated coconut. We need to put 1 cup of freshly grated coconut.
So many of them?
Yes, yes.
I'm eating coconut. Oh, my hand.
Okay. So I can guess she has eaten a lot of coconut. Okay. Now after adding all the ingredients in the jar, we need to add very little water and make a coarse paste. So I am going to pour in water. That would be about 1/3 cup of water. Yeah. Just to make it a coarse paste. No, what are you doing? Oh, you're putting your hand inside this. Leave, I need to add a little more water. 1/3 and a very little more cup of water. Okay, now we will go ahead and blend it to make it a coarse paste.
Is that good? No?
It has become a nice coarse paste.
Ah,
Yes, nice.
chutney.
Chutney, yes. It's a coconut chutney already, and I can already get the aroma of the cumin seeds. Does it smell good?
Nice.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Just, okay. You don't have to go inside to smell, you can smell it, just the aroma is coming anyway. So, okay, so, yeah, that's it. I will show it to you how it looks like. Okay, you can, this is how, this is the consistency that we need for the coconut paste.
I want to eat it. I want to check check and see if this raw.
Okay, you want to check and see if it is raw? I'll give it to you. Okay, this is how it's become nice and coarse. So this is how it should be. Into this vegetable, we will be adding this grated coconut.
Nice and coconut.
Yeah.
See? Nice and become soft. I want to check and see.
Okay. You can see the water has already come out. You can see. After mixing it well and nice, go ahead and microwave it for another 1 minute on high power. But this time we need to uncover it and microwave it.
Uncover it and
Alright, it's now 1 minute and let us go ahead and take the avial from the microwave.
what are you doing?
Our avial is almost ready. Okay, after adding the coconut, do not overcook it. Just 1 minute is sufficient.
This is spicy.
No, it is not. I have not added chili. Yes, if you want this spicy, what you can do it while adding the coconut paste, you need to add 1 green chili in it and then make it a paste. Now I am not going to add any green chili in this, hence no spice at all. So yeah, that's it. After microwaving it for 1 minute, the little excess water will be evaporated and we will get a very semi-dry gravy. This is the consistency of avial. Now once this is ready, I will show you the close-up as well. Once this is ready, we will go ahead and take yogurt and whisk it nicely.
This is the fry finished.
Yeah, it is. Let's throw it in the dustbin. Alright, this is the avial. It is ready. After microwave, give it a nice mix and you can see that it has become a very nice semi-dry gravy. This is how we want. After microwaving it for 1 minute, we get something like this. Now what we'll do is we'll add yogurt in it. Now into a bowl, add about 3 tablespoons of yogurt. 2, 3. I think I'll add 1 more tablespoon yogurt and whisk it nicely. After whisking it well and nice, we get a nice yogurt. What we'll do is we'll pour this yogurt in the. Wait, I'll give it to you. We'll pour the yogurt in this avial. I'm going to pour in 1, 2, 3 and mix it well. Be careful. At this stage, check for salt and add about. I'm adding less than half teaspoon of salt in it because we had already added salt while cooking the vegetables.
Oh.
Mix it well so that the salt completely gets mixed with it. There you have it. Avial for Onam festival is now ready to be served. Let us go ahead and take it out in a serving dish into a bowl.
And then Atta is a teacher.
Atta is a teacher. Okay. Our delicious avial for Onam fest is now ready. This is a microwave avial recipe. there in it. You can also add a lot of vegetables in this. Pumpkin is one other vegetable. Cucumber is another vegetable that goes well in it. This is best served with steamed rice. This does not have oil in it. This has a lot of vegetables, which is really good for kids. So you can try this recipe during this Onam festival. Oh wow, that's so cute! So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this. Please do give it a try and tell me how it came out. Do check out my website www.veenaskitchen.com for more recipes. Wish you all a happy Onam. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com.
All over fun. My hand is open. My hand is open.
There is one more left. Something else is left. See? You have to put 1 cup of grated coconut.
See, you put very nicely.
Oh, very nice. That's well done. You did great.
Hey, let me eat this first.
Okay, now we need to take it out and wait, don't eat the coconut, okay?
Coconut chutney is still nice.
This is nice.
I can't open this banana. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a nice banana. The teddy bear is putting hand inside.
Teddy bear is putting hand inside?
It's like this.
Okay.
It's touching my nose, see?
Okay. The teddy bear is touching your nose now. I see. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. It is still raw.
Okay.
Yeah? You can just mix it.
No.
Yogurt?
Huh?
Yogurt?
I want vegetable.
Okay. That's vegetable. Avial. It is avial.
Avial.